doing in the microwave? Chase, get out of there. He wanted to play with the gumballs. Then he got stuck in there. Yeah, but that's okay. We'll let him out soon enough. Yeah, like right now. Oh my goodness. Look at all those gumballs. Oh my goodness, Chase, are you okay? That was awesome! I bet it was. Oh my goodness. Look at all these gumballs. Wow. Okay, well, I think that's enough gumballs for anyone. Okay, then why don't we go ahead and get you guys all fixed up and ready. We're gonna go on a big race today, okay? Okay, me first. All right, Skye, you're gonna go first. Let's get you all ready. Look! Skye got all ready. Look, she's in her driving outfit. You look so good, Skye. Oh, you're all ready to go, aren't you? All right, next up, Marshall.
I'm on it.
Oh my goodness, look, Marshall, you changed just as good. You guys look so good. Look, they're in their good driving outfits. They look awesome. Rubble, you want to go next? Yes, I need to put on my driving stuff. And this just makes it go magical. That's right. Okay then. Oh, Rubble, good job. You turned into your crazy driving outfit too. All right, Chase, you're the only one without your driving outfit on. I know you got your crazy blasters out, but you gotta change into your driving outfit like everyone else. Okay, there we go. There, Chase, you're all ready now too. Look at our Paw Patrol, all ready to go and get their driving on. Except, where are your guys' cars? You left them? We have to go get all of your cars? Yeah, I don't know how we're gonna do that. You know what? We're gonna use these gumballs right here. Chase, why don't you go ahead and go first? You get in the microwave and I'm gonna hand you some gumballs. There. We gave Chase 3 gumballs and he better come back with his car. Yep. Oh, thank goodness it worked. Chase, look, it worked. Woohoo! It worked! It worked! Yeah! Woohoo! Oh, Chase got his cruiser back. Awesome job, Chase. Me, I need mine. Let me go. Okay, Rubble, you get in there. And here's 3 gumballs. Now come back with your ride. There we go. Oh, check it out. It's Rubble in his dozer. He can get through anything with that drill. Oh yeah. I bet you're so excited. All right, Marshall, you're next. And I'm going to give you 3 red gumballs. Alrighty then, here you go. Oh, Marshall, you did it! Woo! Woo-hoo! Marshall got his car too. Good job, Marshall. I knew you could do it. All right, Skye, you're the last one. And we're gonna give you purple gumballs. 3 purple ones. Okay, here we go with Skye. She's the last one. Oh yes, look, we got Skye too in her awesome motorcycle. But watch this. Whoop, now it's a hovercraft. Awesome. Okay, let's take away the microwave. Okay. Whoop. Now we have all of our Paw Patrol here with their cars, and let's send them off on a race. Okay, everyone line up. All right, say bye to your Paw Patrol. Bye, Chase. Bye, Rebel. Bye, Marshall. Bye, Skye. I'm gonna fly away. Woohoo! Say bye.
Bye-bye.
Cannonball! Whoa, Skye! Where'd you go? Cannonball! Oof. Oh, that didn't feel so good, did it? Oh, man. What happened to the... What? Why isn't there anything in the pool for me to jump in? We had to take everything out because there was just too much stuff in it. What? How is there ever too much stuff? Do you think there's ever too much stuff in a pool? No, especially if it's water or soda or candy. There's never too much in a pool. Okay, Skye, okay. You're gonna have to find someone to fill the pool up. Who do you guys think I should find to fill the pool up? How about Poppy? I should go find Poppy and have her help me. Okay, let me go get Poppy. Did someone say my name? I heard someone say my name. I think it was Skye, but she went off to look for you. Oh no, Skye! Okay, well, what did she want? Something about the pool? It looks awfully empty. We're gonna have to fill something up. I have the best idea. Let me go find something. I couldn't find Poppy. I'm just gonna lay here and do nothing. Fire in the hole! Woohoo! It's starting! What? What? What is that? What is it? It's a gumball I found. And I'm gonna go get some more. No way, Poppy's bringing gumballs. We're gonna start with red gumballs and we're gonna send them down the slide. Here come all the red gumballs. How many red gumballs are going to come? There's so many. There's a bazillion, gillion, zillion, trillion. you so happy about the gumballs? Yes, I love filling the pool with yummy gumballs. Okay, well let's get a few more red ones. They just keep coming. Okay, Skye, what color do you want next? Let's do orange. Okay, let me go get orange. Here they come. Yay for orange gumballs! What color are we going to do next, Skye? I don't know. What color do you think we should do next? How about yellow? Okay, let's go get yellow. Okay, that's enough yellow ones. What color's next? Green? Like my cape, and my crown, and my shoes. I really like green. Okay, we have all the green gumballs. We only have a few colors left. Yay! Let's do blue next, like Chase. Okay. Blue. Skye, you're gonna have to get out of the pool if there's gonna be room for more colors. Okay. How about right here? That's a great place. Okay, the next color is going to be pink, like my hair. And like Skye. Skye loves pink too. Okay, only one more color. What color do you think it is? White. We're gonna do white. There's a lot of white gumballs. Whoa! Okay, Skye. I got you all of your gumballs. Now are you gonna do your cannonball? Yeah, let's do my cannonball. Cannonball! Whoa, Skye! Where'd you go? Come out of there, Skye! Where did Skye go? She's gone. You know what? I'm gonna do a cannonball too. And let's see if I can find Skye. Cannonball! 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 What? Where did Poppy go? They did cannonballs and then they just disappeared. Okay, let's try search around in here some more. What? Poppy, where'd you come from? I did a cannonball in the gumballs and then I just turned tiny. I don't know what happened. But I'm gonna keep looking for Skye. You guys turned tiny when you jumped into the pool. I know, and look how awesome. Now we can go down the slide and swim around and not be too big. All right, well, let's go down the slide then. Okay, well, that was Skye and Poppy playing in the pool. Okay, say bye.